Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to another video. Today we have received another YouTube check and we are going to cash stuff this. Ooh, I'm so excited.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away.
Yay! It feels good. It feels good to be getting paid for something that you really enjoy. It feels great. And if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, I will be your #1 motivator. Start. What are you waiting for? I just don't get it. Today's positive quote, we're gonna just shake the cards. Can y'all tell how excited I am? Can you? So today's positive quote reads, remember why you started. This couldn't be any more accurate. What? Are you kidding me? I'm stuffing YouTube check and this is what this card has to say? Y'all see that? Ask yourself why your goal is important for you. Repeat asking why for 5 rounds or until you figured out your deepest motivation. Aw, that's cool. I'm really enjoying the positive quotes card pack. I got this off of Amazon, by the way. I am really enjoying it. Are you guys enjoying the positive quotes that coming out of this? I like the fact that on the back it does have like questions to ask yourself and stuff like that. So I think that's one of the main reasons why I'm enjoying this. But moving right along into the stuffing, guys, yes, we have received our second paycheck from YouTube and this is $357. Wow. If you told me yesterday that I would be in this position today, making money from YouTube content creation, something that I enjoy, girl, I would have probably told you no. I would have probably looked at you crazy and be like, girl, what? You lying. No way. But look at me, y'all. Another YouTube check. Another YouTube check. Another YouTube check. Another YouTube check. I'm crazy. So let's count the cash and then we could get the cash stuffed away. So we had 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40. So that's $340. And we have 10. And we have, that's $350. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So we have $357 that we earned making content on YouTube. That is amazing. And this should be a motivational thing for all of you guys to want to start a channel. Because you guys see how many subscribers I have. You guys see how many views I'm getting. You guys can see all of that information. I'm not a big YouTuber. I'm definitely a small beginner YouTuber, and for me to have made this, then this is really good. So if you want to start a channel, jump on it. So this is going to be shared between my high priority binder and my sinking funds binder. So we're going to go ahead and distribute the $357 to high priority and sinking funds. I do want to say the $7, being that they're all ones, I am going to add those to my dollar saving challenge. I know I've never shown you guys this, but I'm actually saving my dollars. So I have a box, a cute little box that one of my girlfriends gave me for Mother's Day. Cute, right? And with this box, I put all my ones in there. Yeah, this is new to y'all, isn't it? Y'all never seen this before. So yes, I've started to put my ones in the box. So right now I have 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to put my 7 ones in my little box. We are only going to cash stuff $350 between high priority and sinking funds. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start with our high priority binder. So let's get high priority. She's right here. I'm gonna push this back a little bit and then we could push her up. So With the stuffing for high priority, we are going to go ahead and start with emergency. And in emergency today, we are going to, let me turn it this way. Great. For emergency, we're adding $50 to emergency. I'm going to make change because I realize I have two tens here. Okay, so we're adding $50 to emergency. So let's do 20, 20, 10. That's 50. So right now for emergency, we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, $130 for emergency. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that in here and move along. Next we have debt, and for debt we're adding $30 to debt. So we're gonna head in here and we're going to add our $30. We've made debt 20, 35. So we have $35 in debt. Moving right along, we have supplies, and for supplies we are adding $30 to supplies. So let's make change. We have two tens here. We're picking up a 20 and we're adding $30 to supplies. That's a 20 and that's a 10. So we now have in supplies 20, 40, 60, 70, $75. And this is supplies for my website to buy back stuff like shipping packages, shipping labels, whatever I need to purchase. Next category we are moving into health, and for health we are adding $5 to health. I don't have $5. Can we make change? Oh my god, I don't have $5. Let's see if I have two fives in any of these. All right, there we go. So now for health, we can go ahead and add our $5. And now we have 20, 30, 5. So now we have $35 in health. Next, we're heading into taxes. And for taxes, we are adding $15 to taxes. I'm about to take up my change. So we have $35 in taxes. Moving right along, we have graduation. And for graduation, I'm adding $20 to graduation today. We can make change. That's great. And we are adding 20. So for graduation, now we have $45 for graduation. Moving right along, we have apartment. And for apartment, we are adding $30 to apartment. Let's make change. We had a 20. We're adding 30. So now for apartment, we have 20, 40, 50. And that completes the stuffing for our high priority binder. That was good. That was good. Emergencies finally hitting the 200s. That's good stuff. So moving right along, we are jumping into our sinking funds binder. And I want to tell you guys that I've made some changes to my sinking funds binder. What has changed? Okay, you guys remember how I had my daughter's binder? So I've decided to just change my daughter's binder into a saving challenge binder for her and put her name back into the sinking funds. So her name in here would be for diapers, clothes, toys, whatever. But her binder now is a saving challenge binder for her. So I'm going to be saving for her in that binder and just keep her name in here for everything else. Along with that, I also add back a vacation envelope in my sinking funds. And the vacation binder, I decided to put it on pause a little bit because turns out I'm not really going to take that trip that I was going to take, but I'll still save up little by little in the envelope in the sinking funds. When I know for sure that I'm going to have to take a trip soon, then I'll go back into the vacation binder, but I feel like I am just going to stick to the envelope in here. So those are the two changes that I've made to sinking funds. And also I am going to redecorate. I love it and everything, but I feel like it's getting a little old. So I'm just going to do a video where I'm redecorating the sinking funds binder, maybe the saving challenge binder. I'll do a video, but I do want to give it an upgrade. So look out for that video. Let's get into it. Let's stuff some money away. So now we're in our sinking funds binder, and for sinking funds, the first category we have is Christmas. And for Christmas, we are adding $20 to Christmas today. By adding $20, we have 120, 40, 50. So we have $150 in Christmas. So we are halfway there for Christmas. The most I'll do in Christmas is $500 because we don't really be doing all that spending around Christmas time. It's just me, my boyfriend, and my daughter, basically. So probably $500. For birthdays, I'm adding $30 because if you guys remember, I told you my boyfriend's birthday is around the corner, July 1st, and we are doing an Airbnb little get together. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We have 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. We have $290 put up for him. I want to add at least $110 more to this so I can at least get him one of those, what they call those shoes, the little Nike ones that's very popular, that's around like $400. I know he would like that very much, so I'm trying to get him that. So this is the vacation one that I've added. It says travel, and for travel we are going to add $20 today. So let's add 20 to travel, and adding the 20 we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we have $190 in travel right now. We have a bunch of change, so we probably should make a little change, right? Let's make a change for 20 with the 5s. So $190 in travel. Eventually I'll just start building travel up, and then when the time comes for vacation, you know, I can probably distribute between different categories in the vacation binder. But I just wanted you guys to know that I kind of put it on pause a little bit and just went back into my sinking funds. So for my daughter, we are adding $15 to her. So we have a 10 and we have a 5. So that makes it 20, 40, 60, 80, $105 in my daughter's envelope. Moving right along, I have my mom. For my mom, I'm adding $15 to my mom's binder, envelope, my bad. So it's empty because once again, I reached a certain amount and she said she wanted it, so I sent it to her. Knowing my mom, she will never let this grow to not even $200. Like every time, being that she knows that I'm doing this for her, every time she need it, she gonna want me to send it. And be that it's hers, I'm just gonna send it to her. I tell her though to leave it alone, let it build up, but she want it, I give it to her. For car maintenance, we're adding $10 to car maintenance. So in car maintenance, we have $5, $10, $11, $12, $13. Not bad, right? So that's car maintenance for you. Next, we are moving on to tolls. Now tolls need $5. So we're gonna jump back into vacation and make some change. We're gonna make change with another 20 in vacation. Because vacation has a lot of change. Alright, there we go. So where were we? Tolls. So for tolls, we're adding $5 to tolls. So right now, tolls have $35. Moving right along, we have Black Friday, and for Black Friday we are adding $20 to Black Friday. And when we add our $20, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, $95 in Black Friday. Okay, we're moving. So let's add our $90 back into the envelope. Oh, that little $20 had a rip on it. And then last but not least, I do have my brother's envelope or envelope. And for my brother, we are adding $10. So why do I have so much money left over? So I'm adding $10 to my brother. Oh shoot, I forgot something in high priority, guys. That's why I have $25 remaining. I forgot to add to Afterpay in the high priority. I'm so sorry. Here we go. Afterpay, I should add $20 to this. Makes it 30. I missed that. I'm sorry. How did I miss that? What's wrong with you, girl? You better wake up. Are you sleeping? What's happening here? So we added the $20. We still have $5 remaining. I'm trying to figure out where this extra $5 came from. Oh, I see. My brother was supposed to get $15 and I gave him $10. Something's wrong with me. So that completes, now that completes the stuffing. So that's what we did with our little YouTube check, guys. It feels great. Once I saw Google came in and paid me $3.55, I was so shocked. Like, guys, I was like, huh? $355 is what I made last month. That's amazing. So I feel great, I must say. And it's a very nice experience and it feels good to get paid. Like, who doesn't want to get paid? So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to start the channel, go ahead, baby girl. What's holding you back? Get into it. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count.